New location, but packing the usual party punch. Revelers turning out in droves for I Love Soca.
Let's get it started. I'm telling you, all work and no play me say.
It's very appropriate. And it's a win. As you can see tonight, we got the support, tremendous support. People are here enjoying themselves.
Anyway, I Love Soca there, the vibes there. No matter where I Love Soca go, the vibes there.
I Love Soca at National Hero Circle. Different location, same energy. But Yard is used to the UWI Bowl. I Love Soca only getting bigger. Suitable locations at a premium.
The demand for I Love Soca has been just moving up and up. And that actually creates a problem. You know, there are limited event spaces that can accommodate an event of this size and this magnitude. So we're kind of limited, and then the ideal venues were booked out from way in advance. And then we kind of had to get very creative. We had conversations with the right stakeholders, and we're able to kind of put together a plan that benefit both the city, ourselves, and the surrounding communities. That's why we're here today at National Hero Circle.
Here or there, this cooler gig always packed.
She said, take it easy, I will do the work.
Happy soca fans counting down to a new carnival season, feeling no pain and a bit carried away. Usain Bolt checking out the revels.
I love soca, I'm in Jamaica, I'm here. Something that I enjoy, a different vibe. We love dancehall, and dancehall is number one. But soca give you a different energy.
How do you feel about this new venue, Hero Circle?
I'm actually not loving it, but I'm open to seeing if it will work. I parked my car outside. I'm actually a little bit worried, but let's see.
It's my first I Love Soca, so I don't know how the other venues were, but so far I'm having a time, so.
Honest with you, I love Yui, but it's what goes. I Love Soca always bring a vibes, no matter where they go. So this is okay. It's all about the people and what they bring to the event, and I love it. I Love Soca never disappoint, and no matter where they go, the vibe's going to be great.
The parking was fine. We catch right there, so. The venue big and nice, you don't feel crowded or anything. I share the same sentiment. It was easy finding parking. The venue, it's spacious, and I love it.
I was very skeptical about the venue, but I'm glad I come out to witness this. It was a really interesting experience. There was a lot of space. The patrons are vibing.
Yeah, I mean, we love I Love Soca. We come all the time. The new venue is really nice. I mean, I personally had a great time.
So far, so good.
Happy New Year!
And at the start of another year, money on partygoers' minds.
Right now, I'm playing in Jamaican Premier League. We just want to win the Premier League and go straight to the top.
Making more money and having more fun.
To travel more. Because I live overseas, so to come to Jamaica more. Because here is where I'm alive, and I love it here.
Travel a lot more, make a lot of money, be happy, and have my peace of mind.
Money, 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 money. Get rich. All crosses, all crosses, all crosses, all crosses. Any man we born August can, any man we born August can go. Yeah. Get rid of every man we born August.
Why get the host? Why get the host? Rapid drive.
More money, more stability, and just being a better version of myself.
Going back to the gym, try to, get in shape and make some more money, buy another house. Just be happy.
My goals, my aspirations is to play with Yard Mass, and I will be. So you'll see me there.
Despite the name, I Love Soca tapping into a hybrid market, no leaving dancehall out of the party equation.
We have integrated our dancehall culture, our Jamaican culture into the experience. So I mean, people can know they come out early and they get the soca. But I can guarantee in prime time, it transitions into dancehall, reggae, and everything. You understand? It's just a huge melting pot.
The difference is that we're in Trinidad. No dancers play. During soca time, with all the new soca, in February. By then now, you know, every new soca, what's hot, what's not. And then we infuse that with the Jamaican music, it's a different level. And then infuse that with the Jamaican vibes and the culture. It's just a matter of time before we take over from Trinidad.
In the meantime, lots to celebrate, even with the island still in recovery mode after Hurricane Melissa. Andrew Bellamy and other party promoters aiming for a vibrant carnival in 2026 to project an upbeat, inviting image of the island and its hospitality sector.
The Benny don't even matter. I still have rum left.
As for 2026,
this time next year, we'll be millionaires. Invest in our business and try to push it out there.
Believe in yourself. If you don't do anything else next year, believe in yourself. Because people will talk you down, try to bring you down, do everything to stop your growth. Believe in yourself all the time. Big up on yourself. 2026, Happy New Year.
2026, I be blessing me, I breathe.